So when you first open your saxophone case, you're going to see the instrument in several parts. We have the main part of the instrument, the neck or crook, the mouthpiece, as well as the ligature and the mouthpiece cap, the reed, as well as the neck strap, which is used to hold the saxophone up. So these are the absolute essentials you need to play the saxophone. We're going to start with the main body of the saxophone. And this is actually in 3 pieces. So the main parts are the bell, which comes down to here. And you can see there's an attachment on the bottom, which cannot be removed. It's been soldered in. This is called the bow. And this part here is called the body. So it's the 3 B's, the bell, the bow, and the body. And attached to these parts of the instrument are, first of all, the tone holes, which are the holes all along the saxophone. The keys, which cover over the holes and create different tones. We also have saxophone pads, which attach to the keys and help seal the air in when we press them down. If any of these are leaking or if the air is getting through, you aren't going to get the correct note if the pads aren't sealing against the tone holes correctly. And this is why you need to have someone experienced play your instrument to make sure that the pads are sealing to the tone holes. Then we have the thumb rest, which is this part here. You place your right hand under this thumb rest here. Side keys, palm keys. These are called the spatula keys. We have the screw here for the lyre. This is for marching bands. And this is where you hook on your neck strap. This is the octave thumb rest here. And this is the octave key that allows you to play higher in the instrument and triggers the octave vent. Which brings me on to the other part of the instrument, the neck. Okay, so this is the neck or crook that attaches to the main part of the instrument. And this is the octave vent, which gets triggered as you go higher on the instrument. Next we have the mouthpiece, which is right here. And this part is called a ligature, which attaches your reed to the mouthpiece. So all of these things come together to form the entire saxophone. So first of all, we start by putting the neck strap over our neck. We take the main body of the saxophone by the bell and grab it like that. And we attach our neck strap to the saxophone like this. Your neck strap should be adjustable, so you can just pull it up like this. Then we get our neck or crook. Then we grab our mouthpiece and twist it on maybe halfway or 3/4 of the way down the instrument. Then we place our reed on before putting on our ligature. Now, I go through this whole process on my website, saxophonemasterclass.com/beginners. And I can take you through the whole process of placing on the reed properly, as this is one of the most essential parts of making sure that you can get a sound from the instrument. We then twist on the neck like so. And you want to make sure that the neck and the bell are straight. So everything is straight like that. And that's how the saxophone is put together. We have the bell, we have the bow, we have the body, we have the neck, we have the mouthpiece, the ligature, the reed, and it all comes together